Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to activate your Shell gift card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Shell, you can use the link in the description and you may get discounts, rewards, or bonuses upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to the Shell website. So after going on the Shell website, just go to the search tab right here on the right side, and on the search tab just search for a gift card or Shell gift card. So after that, after searching for a Shell gift card, as you can see, you will be presented by this result, but you will just need to click the first result. And right here, this is the Shell gift card page. And as you can see, this button, if you click it, you will be go to the website, to the other page where you can purchase the Shell gift cards, every Shell gift cards you want. But unfortunately, in my country, it's not accessible. That's why I can't open it, so I can purchase gift cards. But you can purchase gift cards right there, and after you purchase your gift cards, you can also purchase it personally and not online through the Shell branches. You can just go to the Shell office and purchase it right there. And if you purchase a gift card personally, you can actually activate it right away. You can just let the customer or the agent activate it for you. And if you purchase the Shell gift cards online or right here on the website, you need to activate it also right here after you purchase it online. You will now have an option to activate your gift card by using your card number on the back of your card when you receive it. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can activate your Shell gift card. And also, if you're having some problem, you can still contact the customer service. Just scroll down to the bottom part until you find contact us on the web page. And after this, just scroll down until you find their contact information. So just right here, just click general inquiries or contact US lubricants, and you will see a bunch of emails and numbers that you can call or approach to ask some question and help you to solve your problem. So just like if you want to activate your card and you can do it on the website, you can just call the customer service and they will activate it for you. And yeah, that's it. That's the way to activate your Shell gift cards. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.